Today we're gonna make Singaporean noodles, a Hong Kong invention that doesn't come from Singapore.
Born after World War II, Hong Kong chefs were trying to find new ways of using curry powder. Stir-fried with rice noodles, it resembled the stir-fried bihun in Singapore. And the chefs conveniently named this dish Sing Zhao Cao Mai, Singaporean noodles. You need some yellow chives and onions, some cooked ham, and some char siu. Except for the onions, all these ingredients are actually the same as Jiao fried rice. Cook some prawns in some boiling water for about 30 seconds and then set them aside. Cook some rice vermicelli noodles in boiling water. The thicker variety is best. When the noodles are cooked, stop the cooking process by plunging it in cool water.
I have a plate over here, so after I cook some of the ingredients, I can put it back into the plate. The wok is beginning to smoke. I swirl the oil around.
And I pour the excess oil into a glass jar for later use.
So in go the prawns. And just a little bit of char because the prawns are already cooked. And when they're charred, that just comes a bit of teaspoon of oil into my wok. Put them in. Scramble it just a little bit. Eggs, done. Eggs go in here, and our onions. Our spring onions with a white part. Our char siu goes in, some of the ham. So get a little oil and pour it to the side of the wok. Bean sprouts.
Now, a majority of the flavor will come from this curry paste. I'll add 2 heaping teaspoons, and if you really want the flavor to come out, you can add a little bit of light soy sauce as well. Now, when the curry flavor has penetrated the noodles, I add the rest of the ingredients back in and give it a quick toss so the curry flavor also coats all those ingredients as well. Today, I've used a carbon steel wok because I think it's really fun, but you can use a non-stick pan to guarantee 100% success. And here it is, Hong Kong style Singaporean noodles packed full of curry flavor waiting for you to cook.
I love Singaporean noodles. Just a wonderful thin layer of curry that just coats everything and brings that much excitement to each bite. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and cook more Singaporean noodles.